Day 5 of the Olympic sailing from Enoshima.
After an outstanding day's racing by the British sailors on day 4, all except the 49ers go again today. The packed schedule means that 5 of the courses are open: Fujisawa, Enoshima, Kamakura, Zushi and Sagami.
On day 3 of the Olympic sailing, I went to the viewing platform on top of Enoshima Lighthouse, and it gave me the best view I've had of the Olympic sailing so far. I paid 1,000 yen for an all-day pass around Enoshima Island, giving me access to everywhere except, of course, the yachting harbour, which is off limits during the games and because of COVID. But it was money well spent, and I would recommend it to anyone who's trying to get a view of the sailing in this Olympics. If you went to the top of Enoshima Sea Candle lighthouse today, the first race you would have seen down on the Enoshima course would have been the women's 470, featuring Britain's Eilidh McIntyre and Olympic opening ceremony flag bearer Hannah Mills. Eilidh McIntyre won the 2019 470 world title and came second in 2017 and is a regular medalist at European and World Championships. Eilidh is partnering Hannah Mills at the Olympics for the first time at Enoshima. Cardiff's Hannah Mills won Olympic silver in 2012 and went one better, winning gold in Rio in 2016. And was world champion in 2012 and 2019.
Right now you. What's the matter? What's the matter?
How does it go?
I'll sing it for you, Marketing. Britannia, brother brave. Britannia, never dare they slay the lion.
Thank you, little jam-stained singer of melodies divine. And now, rule Britannia, Britannia! What?
You're too late.